Hello guys, how are you today? I'm Chong from Chongverse. Today I'm going to do a very exciting experiment, that is to dye this bunny. This is now my favorite bunny. She is a large sized Jellycat queen bunny. I love her round face, it's so adorable, but I'm not quite satisfied with her color. That's why I ordered a tie-dye kit from Amazon, and I decided to give her maybe 2 or 3 colors, for example purple, pink or blue. I hope I won't damage her fur. I hope she will survive this. Good luck to me. Let's see, we will start it now. Okay, now I get everything ready. Let's begin. This is the tie-dye set I got. It has different colors. I decided I would do a purple and pink bunny. So let's see how we do it. Okay, shake the bottle. Okay, shake bottle well before use. Create your design. Spray the dye. Air dry completely. Heat set. Okay, it looks really easy to me. And also I got a white t-shirt here. It's a new t-shirt, but it's white. I think I can dye this t-shirt as well. Oh, okay, let's do it. Let me pick the color. See, okay, this, I think this is the pink I want. And we have the purple here. I will put the rest on the floor. I think I will do the bunny first, but I will first fold my t-shirt. Just do a easy and quick one. I did some research online. I hope I can do a good job. Okay. Oops. Okay. Let's just keep it this way. I'm not sure if they don't give us any. Too bad we don't have any gloves. No gloves and no rubber band. So that's it. That's the t-shirt. And now we start with the bunny. Oops, I forgot to cover her nose. But I think it should be okay. I'll just be more careful about it. Don't want to make her nose got any color on it. Let's do purple first. Shake it well. Oops, let's cover it and shake it. Okay, I think we should do from the bottom to the top. So let's just do the tummy first. I don't want to mess up with my t-shirt. Move t-shirt on this. Hello guys, I'm back with my new bunny. She is my favorite color now, and I'm very happy with the result. It took me 15 minutes to dye this bunny, 4 hours air dry. After that, I use warm water to rinse her until the water look clear, almost clear, and then I put her in the baby wash machine and just want to just let her dry, and then I use my hair dryer to completely dry her fur. Let me think. Yeah, after that I use a brush on her. So now her fur is really soft, and it is exactly the same as I just got her. This is a new bunny. Although there are still some places that I can do better, I can improve if I will do another one, but she is very meaningful. She's my first tie-dye bunny. I love her very much. If I got time, I'll definitely do another one in different color. Thank you for watching. I have another Jellycat package arrived today, but it's too late, so I will do the unboxing video tomorrow. Bye bye.